Hello guys, good evening. Today I'm here to unbox the TP-Link 4G Lite mobile Wi-Fi. As you can see, that's the package. 4G Lite speed, 8 hours of battery use, and also you can pair or you can control this Wi-Fi through the TP-Link app. You can manage the users connected to this Wi-Fi through the TP-Link app. You can view your bandwidth usage through the TP-Link. You got a whole lot of user controls from the app. That's the package. Scan this code to download the TP-Link app. There's the Wi-Fi itself. That's the power button. Let's try to turn it on.